Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Toyota Camry. First, park your Camry on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Ensure your tire pressure is correct and your fuel tank is at least half full for accurate results. Turn on your low beams. Now, mark the horizontal and vertical centers of your headlights on the wall with tape. This creates a reference point for proper alignment. Next, open your Camry's hood to access the headlight assemblies. You'll typically find two adjustment screws for each headlight. One screw controls the vertical aim, usually located on the top of the assembly. The other screw manages the horizontal aim, often found on the side. A Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm wrench is usually all you need for these adjustments. Now let's adjust the aim. For vertical adjustment, turn the appropriate screw to raise or lower the beam. The top of the most intense part of your low beam should be about 2 inches below your marked line on the wall. For horizontal adjustment, turn the other screw to move the beam left or right, aiming for the center. Make small adjustments and recheck frequently. After adjusting, take your Camry for a test drive on a dark, level road to ensure proper visibility and that you're not blinding oncoming drivers. Both headlights should provide a consistent and even light pattern. If you're looking for more helpful tips or great deals, check the description below for links, including one for a fantastic e-reader that lets you read anywhere. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe driving, so take your time and get it right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.